Can we do in English?
Next to you.
James, I open the camera. Is this on camera yet?
James.
Ding dong.
Don't roll. You left your own bike.
Here, Barry, I'm chilling next to you. Deja, switch to Jonathan.
And then there's the end with the family conversation and social stuff. It was so good.
Having a pet?
You're going to have to body. Put up on the board while I'm talking, you should be writing. All right, now. One, you're not moving desks. Get your rear end in a seat. Wherever there is a seat, sit it down. Thank you. Keep it in a row. It's not rocket science. Just sit. Okay? There's no reason to move them. Get in a row. Where were they originally? In a row. With not moving seats. Okay? You guys did that.
I think you're going to have to sit over here. Jonathan.
Okay? Just sit the rear end in a seat. All right. So don't move it. All right? Just leave. Well, there, at one time there was more than two. Yeah. You guys have moved it all around. But you guys don't understand. You are guests in Mrs. Brischler's and my room. So when you come in, just like when you go into somebody's house, you don't touch stuff on their desk, you don't move their furniture around, you don't rearrange their furniture. So you need to be good guests, okay? All right, now, back to this. Come back like head of the nation. Now, coffee is ahead of us, and that drives me insane.
Rock him in the feet.
So, we were all pretty much on a level playing field, and now he has pulled ahead.
Why?
Because he did not spend 2 extra days reviewing.
You didn't spend
days. Well, I felt I had to review for these sessions.
So
We did.
we'll win on
spent 2
these
days.
sessions.
Because you're not a teacher. No, I don't know about that, but I felt like I had to.
Using some other
Now, so we are going to.
I like that. You need to show yours.
So, this is the deal. We're working today, we're working tomorrow. You're going to have a test on Chapter 14. You're really ready for it Monday, but I would not test you on Monday. So I will test you on Tuesday.
Thank you.
The review that you're going to get, you are responsible for. I'll give you the review sheet with an answer key, but if you have questions, you got to come see me because we have to finish by the time we break for Memorial Day. All right? Because when we come back from Memorial Day, I want to start reviewing. Yes. No. Okay. So, we ready? Yes. Okay. I will make that in a second. If you really have me, I'm going to start. You're going to go, but I'm going to start. Okay. So today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions. So get going on this first, and then we'll get rolling.
7 times 5 is 35.
We're not talking, we're doing questions here. Right on the board, okay?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
No, I'm just saying. I don't mean to nasty.
No, I know. You
You have to understand me, Jake. I have very quick tongue, so you gotta. Sometimes I'm annoying you guys, but I'm not.
Oh no, I just think all my teachers are annoying because all my teachers hate me.
They don't hate
James.
Yeah. no Russian in it. Yeah.
Can we please stop talking and get this done? All right, guys. Here we go. Remember how to divide? Remember what you have to do here? Remember, cut Tuesday. Okay, Kevin.
You have to flip the second one around. So, and because those two don't factor, then you do times 2y over 21x.
Okay, good. All right, simplify. Go ahead.
Then 3x and 21x goes together because the x cancel out 1 and 7.
Good.
And that you can cancel out both y's, right?
Yep.
So it becomes 25. So then you're going to get 2 over 35.
Very nice. Very nice. So you have to do simplify together. Guys, we're going to keep moving, all right? Because I got stuff we got to get through. You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
You would do x plus y. You would leave the first one the same as the second one.
Okay, so we're going to leave this. I'm going to do numerator denominator. This is not factor. You guys realize this is not factor. This is not a difference between perfect squares. This is a plus sign. Be careful of that. Okay, go ahead. So keep this the same,
Yep.
the same.
Then you flip around, you factor flip around the next one, so it's x plus 4.
Well, I can factor this, can't I? This is the difference between perfect squares.
Okay, so then x squared plus 9y squared and times x squared minus y squared.
This can be factored again, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, this, I would write this out twice, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is it.
Okay, how about all this is very safe, you're always right.
Not always, I make
Like
it
my
I make mistakes. So if you see something, make sure you question it. Now, I'll give you a second to copy this down. You have to copy these things down. All right? This is just you copied it already. You did it already. You good? Sarah, you copied it down already. You good? Okay, let's move it. So let's move
Not that far.
I am on a fast pace at this point. I don't like being behind. All right? And when I make a copy between 15 questions like this in a day, in a 40-minute period, we're going too slow, okay? So you guys have to fly, all right? So there's no chatting, there's no turning around, there's no talking to your friends. We're moving. And if you can't keep up, you can't keep up, all right? So then you got to do it during lunch. You've got to concentrate. If you see something I'm doing that you don't get, you raise your hand. You don't pull out, and I will go over it for you. But my goal is I'm finishing by the time we break for Memorial Day. Yes.
Why do you think I had a copy?
I don't want to be ahead. I don't want to be behind.
Why?
Because I know we have to finish. I have 2 more chapters to finish. You guys are going to Philadelphia. I lose you for 2 days. Everybody, all right? I have 2 units. I have to finish this unit and 2 more units. You lose Memorial Day is around the corner. I got to get done. Yeah, so I got no more. Let's keep going. So go ahead, Devin, what do I do from here?
So then you can,
This stage, right? Can I cancel anything out here?
you can cancel out x and x squared.
No.
Oh, right, yeah, the test of binomial.
Yeah. Now you gotta pay attention, guys. This is the most important thing. These guys are binomials. They cannot go out with anybody else. Okay? Let's before we do anything else, let's factor this again. Okay? So let's rewrite. It's a lot of rewriting sometimes. So you have x plus y over x squared plus y squared in parentheses times x over x minus y. This is times. This piece cannot factor because it's not the difference of 2 squares. So I rewrite that again. But this can factor, right? Because it's the difference of 2 squares. So that's x plus y, x minus y.
So Mrs. Manhouse.
Give me 1 second, let me catch up. Let me just finish it, otherwise I'm going to lose my train of thought. Okay, Devin, now what can I do?
Now you can cancel out x plus y and x plus y.
X plus y, x plus y.
You can cancel out x minus y and x minus y.
X minus y, x minus y.
Yeah, cancel out the other x plus y and the other
X plus y, x plus y.
You can cancel out x squared plus y.
Okay,
So they can go with x.
so we'll take a quick glance, going across, we have x, yeah?
That's like that, right?
So, give me 1 second. I have x, and I have one in the denominator, so you can just write it as X. Okay, make sure you copy it down, question, yes,
Oh, the second one?
yes.
You say you can't simplify from
And then you can simplify any numerator with a denominator. Can't separate numerator with numerator. No, as long as he's in the denominator and he's in the numerator, he's in the denominator, I'm
But, I
okay.
mean, look at all the X and Y.
That's fine, he's top bottom, it's fine.
Oh, you just can't do.
It has to be top of the bottom, top of the bottom, yes.
Why can't you factor when it's positive only when it's like a six?
Because we did that when we first started factoring, it's not factorable. You can't split this thing up. If you make it X plus Y, times X plus Y, it doesn't work. You make them both X minus Y, it doesn't work. Because you're gonna get middle terms now, okay? All right, can we move on? Yeah. Okay, now, new topic. We have two and stuff that we're doing, that we are adding and subtracting with like denominators. That's your lesson. Adding and subtracting. Algebraic fraction with like, I know, relax, denominator. Okay.
That's fine, just make it done.
That's right. We're on that page. We'll just do the whole entire page.
Let's make
Turn
Tommy
it
try.
Take the whole entire page. You're gonna go these? Yeah. Take a lot.
Denominator.
Well, the first problem, Michael, might not, but you'll get it in a bunch of problems. You know what I mean?
Okay, so what's the
Chicken.
Denominator.
So. Marco.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay. We're working, we're writing, we're ready, right? Everybody's listening, correct?
Right. What about numerator?
Do it in one paper, get it in one paper. Yeah, what are you doing? There's no reason to have anything to copy. Thank you.
How are we smart?